Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 2053 Kth distinct string in an array. And a distinct string is a string that is present only once in an array, and we've been given the array of strings arr and an integer k, and we have to return the k distinct string present in the array. And if there are fewer than k distinct strings, we have return an empty string. And note the strings that are considered in the order in which they appear. Okay, for example, we are having arrays d b c b c a. So, and we have to return the second distinct string, so the answer comes out to be a, because d is the first distinct string and b and c are not distinct strings because they are repeating, and a is our second distinct string. So that's why a is our answer. And similarly in the other case, we are having triple A, then two A's and single A. So our k is 1, we have to return the first distinct string, so that is AA. And similarly in this case we are having no distinct, we need to return the third distinct string, but we just have one distinct string, that is B, so our answer comes out to be an empty string. Okay, for this we'll be needing a map of string comma integer to keep store the count. Let's call it map, and which is equal to a new hash map. Yeah, hash map. Okay, now for string s in arr, so I'll be checking that if, oh sorry, let's just update the map first. Map dot put s comma map dot get or default s comma 0 plus 1, ah, plus 1. And then I'll be traversing in the array again for string s in arr. Firstly I'll be checking that if my map uh, map dot get s, if my frequency in 1, that means that it is distinct. Then I'll be checking that if, sorry, if minus minus k is equal to 0. Okay, and then I have to return the string s. And at the end, if I don't find, if this if statement never gets executed, so I have to return an empty string. And now let's give it a run. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, and it works perfectly fine, and it gets accepted as well. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.